ducks. People are nuts. Darth Vader? Well, that's what the virtual says. It's Darth Vader right here in Prague, Czech Republic. Yeah, so just got to take your picture with Darth Vader, and away you go. That's one of our first caches here in Prague. Join us. We're going to have a whole lot more. If that's Darth Vader, is that Princess Leia? Do you think it's worthy of that many favorite points for that? Let me know in the comments below. Things that make you go, The geocache should be, according to the hint, right here. And the log says it was hanging quite visibly, and we ain't seen it.
And someone found it earlier today.
We're not really sure what they were looking for, but it wasn't geocaching. And the geocaching container should have looked like this. It's in one of the logs, but we can't find it. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hinges, and they're all solid. And there's nothing on the other side of them. So we're at our wits' end. We just can't. Some people are just walking right up to it, and it's like, holy cow, it's right there. But not us. Oh my gosh, we just didn't feel there.
How could we miss that?
Yeah, like didn't everybody feel that up? We were on dating standards here. Holy doodle. So if you're searching for it, you just gotta feel up the right spot. Can you see it now? Can you see it now? Oldest of its kind in the world. It's an astronomical clock dating back to 1410, and it's right here in Czechia. Yes, right there. And it chimes on the hour. Unfortunately, 7 after. And there's a traditional cache here inside the visitor center. We just have to ask, apparently. Let's go in and ask. Do you know anything about a geocache?
Yeah, tourist information inside the building, so
Thank you.
next office.
Thank you so much. Just gotta ask. Just gotta ask.
It's totally amazing. You just have to ask and we get it for you.
Perfect. We're about ready to cross this historic bridge, but first off we have to do a virtual with this tower, and all you have to do is take a photo of yourself with the tower. Here we go. Cheese. I tell you, after all this climbing, the cache had better not be missing.
Well, it shouldn't be.
Hope not. Oh, a long way to climb for a DNF.
Area.
Yes. There we go.
Colin?
Here we go. Anybody want to sign it?
Yeah, well.
While you're here. Well, it was here, and it wasn't a DNF, so that's a good thing. Not much to be had down there. That's not it.
Under the bridge.
Under the bridge. The most found geocache in all of geocache land is right here under this bridge in Prague.
Good job, Colin.
Wow, look at that. Did you have an advance notice that that's where it was?
No.
Your spidey senses are telling you. It's that hole in the wall.
Getting there. Almost. There we go.
There we go. Ooh.
No, it's a little Mentos.
Mentos.
The candy of geocachers.
The most logged geocache in geocachdom.
In the world.
So why is it the most logged?
Just is.
No.
I think it's a very highly touristy area.
Must be the center of all things geocaching.
Okay, so they really need to put a new...
In here on the grounds of the castle, we need to take a picture with the horse. There you go, that's for a virtual geocache on a hot day in Prague.
This might be my last one because my phone's about to die.
Phone's about to buy. Oh, hey, this an earth cache. We're going to determine the grain size of this monolith based on 4 examples in the cache page. So here we are. This looks like number 2. It's not that or that.
No, no.
Here. So it's finely grained granite, sometimes weak. Porif, Divastanet, de must. Oh, I don't know if that's English or not. Can't tell. We're going to go with number 2. There you go. Monolith. Logged. Got it? So we're at the Lenin Wall, and it's a virtual. So they give you 8 pictures, and you have to find them, and then put them in order, and then add that to an email. And then once you email that, you get confirmation that you've done it correctly, and that you can log the virtual. It's a pretty cool way of creating a virtual, or creating a way to get confirmation without the cache owner having to do it themselves.